If you're getting stage verification failure 2002 while launching or entering a stage in Honkai, Rail, don't worry. This error is usually caused by network issues or corrupted game files. Let's fix it step by step. First, close the game completely. If you're on PC, also exit the launcher. Make sure nothing related to the game is running in the background. Next, check your internet connection. Restart your router and avoid using VPNs or proxies. A stable connection is required for stage verification. Now, repair the game files. Open the launcher and select Repair or Verify Files. This will scan the game and re-download any missing or damaged files, which is one of the most common causes of error 2002. After that, run the launcher as administrator. Right-click the launcher and choose Run as Administrator to avoid permission-related issues. Also, check firewall and antivirus settings. Make sure Honkai Rail is allowed through your firewall. Temporarily disabling antivirus can help confirm if it's blocking the game. If you're playing on mobile, clear the game cache from app settings and restart your device. Sometimes this error is server-side. If nothing works, wait a few minutes and try again. In most cases, these steps fix stage verification failure 2002 quickly.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.